This lake is the second largest freshwater lake in the country, and it is a pretty unique place. Visiting Inle Lake, you can only stay in Nuang Shwe, which is a city 5 kilometers away from it. And the city itself is not very pretty, you cannot do anything here. The only reason to come here is to do a boat trip to the villages on the Inle Lake. They're literally on the lake. This is the 5-day market here at Inle Lake, and it is called that way because it rotates every 5 days between the villages here at the lake, and they sell some really crazy things here. The people from the surrounding villages in the mountains, they handicraft things and they bring it here to sell to tourists and also locals. It's one of the most amazing markets I've seen in my life. We are on the floating village here, which is in the middle of the lake, and all these houses here are completely built on sticks, and the only way of transport here is by boat. There's only water roads here. Here in Shwe Pia, one of the villages at Inle Lake, we're visiting a weaving house right now. Here they produce fabric from the lotus plant, which is the most expensive fabric in the world. It takes one woman over 2 months to extract only 1 kilo of the fabric from the sticks from the lotus plant. 1 meter of lotus fabric costs $250, and they make everything by hand here. All the machines are ancient, but it's awesome to look at. If you are in Myanmar, you should absolutely come here. It's well worth the travel, but maybe 2 or 3 days, not more.